So, welcome back. And now that we have our .var file on our application server, we have created our uh, Docker Tomcat container that we can see by doing Docker PS. We can see the Tomcat container here. We now need to log into this Tomcat container. Uh, so, in order to do that, we need to do Docker execute dash IT, and then the name of the container, in this case it's tomcat container slash bin slash bash. Okay, so we can see now that we are in the root of this container ID. Or sorry, we are logged in as root, and rather than be on our host, we're in an image on our host, which is this, which is the container ID name, and it's Tomcat image. So it has put us in user slash local slash Tomcat, and this is the Tomcat configuration. All the files that are needed that you'd expect in the Tomcat application. One slight difference when using a Tomcat Docker image as opposed to installing it uh, in a more traditional way is there are no, sorry, the files that we would normally expect in web apps are now in webapps.dist. So if we were to ls web apps, it's blank, and if we ls webapps.dist, we can see them located in here. So we need to copy them into our web apps folder. So we're going to cd into webapps.dist, and we're going to do let's see here. So ls, we're going to do a cp-r, so recursive, everything in here. And we're going to copy that to user slash local slash tomcat slash web apps. Okay. So that should be that done now, and then let's cd out and then into web apps, ls, boom. All of the files that we need are now in there. So we can now copy our .var file, our project file, from our host into this container. And we do this, just exit, and just get in the, yeah, okay, so we're in the correct place. And we just do sudo docker cp and the web app.var. And where do we want to copy it to? We want to copy it to the Tomcat container. So specify the Tomcat container name, and then we specify the location. So we know that it's going in the web apps path. So that's the entire path to that. Sorry, it's going in the web apps folder, and the entire path of that folder is slash user slash local slash tomcat slash web apps, and we want our web app.var to be in there. So I believe that's correct. What's its container path? That, oh, it's supposed to type tomcat container here. Okay, so that should be that done. And let's go to our cd into web apps, cd web apps, ls, and we can see our .var file is located in there. So if we go to our EC2 dashboard and we get the public IP address and we paste that in here with port 8080, we can see that our Tomcat is up and running. And in order to see our application, we know I need to type in slash web web apps. Oh, sorry, web app. And there we go. Congratulations, you've made your first Jenkins pipeline. Come back, and in the next video, we're going to automate those steps. Thank you.